I want you to understand that you woke up this morning and the devil was like, doggone biscuits. There he go, and there she goes. He's like, I can't believe that I allowed this to happen in this person's life and this to happen in this person's life and that, and they are still here. I want you to know that your enemy look at you every day and they're mad. It's like smoke out of their nostrils because you got a smile on your face. I keep on telling y'all the enemy is after your smile. The devil does not want you to ever have anything that God has promised you. And that's why you need to make it your business to be about God's business so you can put the enemy out of business. I just want to say it one more time. You need to make it your business to be about God's business so that you can put your enemy out of business. See, the reason why the enemy has taken up inventory in some of your business is because he's in the place of God in your life. The reason why the enemy be meddling all up in your affairs is because God ain't put into your affairs to run him out. The reason why the enemy wants to toil around with your mind and your heart and your spirit the way that he be doing it, because God is not occupying this space. But I heard the Lord say that it is a time and it is a season that is right now where I have began to take up residence in the heart of my chosen ones, baby. I'm telling you that you needed to make it your business to be about God's business and run the enemy out. I don't know who I'm talking to today, but you need to make it your business to be about God's business and run your enemy out. I want you to know that the enemy loves to be up in your business. They love to tell you things about you that you didn't even give them information to. Don't you understand? Isn't it awesome how good God is to where he can take an enemy and make an enemy a footstool for you? Because I want you to understand that your enemies stay plotting on ways to make your life more difficult. I want you to understand that it's some people that you know that you have to deal with, that you are forced to deal with, that make it their business to make life as difficult for you as possible. They know the right things to do and they won't do it because they like to bring you stress and pain. They know the right way to be, but they won't be it because they want to cause you stress and pain. They know what's right from wrong, and they choose wrong instead of right because they want to just create pain in your life. I want you to understand this, that you need to make it your business to be about God's business so the enemy can get up out of your business. I heard somebody say to me, I don't like people yelling at me. I can't control the way that God chooses to manifest in me, but sometimes it takes force to kick out the enemy. And I'm coming in the force and frequency of God to let you know today that it's time for you to stand in the power that God has given you. I want to let you know today that it's time for you to educate yourself in the things of God. I want to let you know today that it shouldn't be a day that you walk into this life without having the full armor of God on. I want you to know today that you need to make it your business to be about God's business, so that you can kick the devil up out of your business. See, a lot of us, we try to kick the devil out of our business on our own might. You know what I'm saying? Like we try to take our physical strength and kick the devil out. But I want you to know it's a spiritual warfare. And the enemy has been in some of your bloodlines for centuries, and he don't want to let you go. And the only way that you can fight the devil sometimes is with the Spirit. All the time it's with the Spirit of God. So as you go about your day on today, I want you to stand firm, stand strong, and keep on believing. And I just want to say just one more time that you need to make it your business to be about God's business so that the devil will be kicked up out of your life. And until the next video, guys, peace, because I believe that you can. Bye now.